Hello everyone. So as you know that this is Aishwarya Verma. I'm an English trainer and public speaker. As you can see that students performance here based on different topics and presentation. Well, each and every presentation was based on a different topics. I know you can see like it is not related to English spoken, but let me tell you, when students find their interest, then their motivation increase the most, and they encourage themselves a lot. And that's how I found the way so they can find their interest in different topics, and they made their presentation and showed and displayed here in English. I hope you loved everyone's performance and hope for the
Topic is human brain. Now, first is frontal lobe. It's handle decision making, speech, and volunteer movement. It's located at the front of the brain, and it is the largest part of the brain. Second, it's a cerebrum. It's coordinates movement, balance, and body. Also manage body posture. It's located at the below of the brain and the cerebrum. Now, second is brain stem. It regulates.
My name is Abhishek Dhangar. Today I describe my project. So my project is all about black hole. Black hole, the mysterious object of universe that do not escape anything, not even light. Black hole have the intense gravity.
Can you know Mars have the largest volcano in the solar system? It is called Olympus Mons, and it is 3 times older than Mount Everest. Our project is all about solar system and its planet. As you know, solar system has 8 planets and one star called Sun. First of all, Sun.
Sun. It is the 99.86% of entire solar system area covers, and solar system have 8 planet. First,
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. As you always know, this is Priyal Yadav and this is my friend Anamika Mewade.
Today our topic is layers of the atmosphere.
There are 5 layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. The first layer is troposphere. This layer is the lowest layer. It can be used for a mechanical task like grinding grains, pumping water and generate electricity.
My name is Windmill. The goal of this project to demonstrate how we can harness the power of wind to convert useful energy. A windmill is a machine that converts the wind into kinetic energy.
Stratosphere, the layer above the extending from 8 km to 50 km.
The third layer is mesosphere.
This is bones, and from birds flour milk, and from flour food. And in the last, this is seed, and this is primary food. This is stem, this is leaves. And thank you to you all.
We divide this topic into 2 types. First, save water and save trees.
So why safety is necessary for us?
It is important for all survival living beings because they give us oxygen, shelter, food, etc. Don't cut trees, don't use much papers. Now we talk about water. Why water is necessary for us?
Water is necessary for us because they give us energy. Don't waste water, save water and save life.
Thank you.
Earth. Earth is the third planet of the solar system, and Earth has many artificial satellites, and there is only one natural satellite which we call
Moon. So my astronaut were going to explore the moon. The first step which is on the moon was the Neil Armstrong, and the Earth we also call the blue planet because of the presence of water, and the Earth has 70% of water and 30% of land where we use for living. The Earth is the only planet where the life is exists, and the only one planet where the oxygen is present. The Earth in shape of circle. Thank you to all.
Water pollution.
Air pollution is very harmful for us and also for animals. This pollutant comes from cars, factories and wildfire, making the air unsafe to breathe. And dirty air can cause many diseases such as asthma and cancer. To stop air pollution, we can walk instead of driving. By these small changes, we can ensure clean air for everyone.
Save water, save life.
Volcano is a mountain that can made erupt. Inside the volcano, hard metal rock, that material. Hawaii has many volcanoes.
Volcanoes can be very loud and shake the ground. Lava can make a new rain when it cools down.
Some volcanoes are active.
Everyone, my topic is solar system. The solar system is made up of sun, moon, planets, and other objects. The sun is center of the solar system. The solar system has 8 planets. The Earth is the third planet from our solar system.
Global warming. Global warming is the one of biggest challenge that our planet faces today. It's reversed to gradual rise the Earth's temperature. It's largely caused by human activity such as industrialization, deforestation, and pollution. So don't do these things. Do not cut trees. Do not burn. Save energy. Stop pollution. Save energy, go green. Will you like to save your environment? Stop global warming. Thank you.
For our life. On the earth, 71% of water is present. Save water, save life. Thank you.
My topic is volcano. A volcano is a mountain that can erupt with lava. Lava is hot metal rocks that comes inside the earth. Some volcanoes are erupt suddenly and some are quiet. Thank you.
8 planets in our solar system. The sun is at center and the planets revolve around it. Jupiter is the biggest planet. It is the natural satellite.
Kashmir is known as for its beauty. Kashmir, it is not a place, it is a significance of beautiful India. It is the significance of a struggle in the ground of the Kashmir lakes. Kashmir is known as for its textile, cloth scents and places. Kashmir is known as for its textile first. Kashmiri peoples wear firan. Men's wear firan in look of trousers and women's wear firan in looks of gown.
Celebrate with great joy and happiness all over the country. Thank you.
Earth is a beautiful planet. We live on Earth. Earth about 460 crore year old. Distance between the Earth and the Sun is 15 crore kilometer. Earth is a very wonderful place. We celebrated Earth Day on 22 April every year. Earth is a gift for all the humans.
I do one activity. I create volcano eruption by mixing ENO and baking soda and then adding water.